Solitaire cash entry fees are the amounts shown before joining certain paid games, so you can see the cost before you commit your balance. By the end, you will know how Solitaire cash entry fees work, where to find them, and what to check before entering a paid game. The entry fee is the amount required to participate in a specific paid Solitaire cash game or tournament. It is displayed before you confirm your entry, which lets you review the cost before playing. Section 1. Where to find the entry fee. Open the Solitaire Cash app and browse the available games. Each game displays its details before you enter. Check the entry information shown on the screen before selecting the play option. The most important step is reviewing the game details before confirming. This helps you understand what type of game you are joining and whether an entry amount is required. Section 2. What the entry fee means. An entry fee is the amount used to join a paid game. If a game requires an entry amount, your available balance must support that amount before you can participate. The fee is different from simply opening the app or playing a free game. Paid games require you to review the entry details first because the cost is connected to that specific competition. Before entering, check 3 things: the game type, the entry amount shown, and your available balance. These steps help you avoid joining a game without understanding the cost. Section 3. Handling entry fee issues. If you notice a balance change or an entry you do not recognize, check your account activity and transaction details inside the app. These records can help you understand what happened. If the issue continues, use the support options available through Solitaire Cash to request help with your account. The safest way to use paid entries is to check every game before joining. The entry amount is displayed before confirmation, so you have the information needed to make your choice. To summarize, Solitaire Cash entry fees are the costs for joining certain paid games. They appear before you enter, and checking the details first helps you manage your balance. Your next step is simple. Open Solitaire Cash, select a game, review the entry information, and confirm only when the details match what you expect. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more app guides and fixes.